Hello everyone! Today, Autoshop presents a video on using the SmartTool ECO to read codes and add keys for motorcycles equipped with the Keihin CANBUS system, directly via the diagnostic port. This process is extremely fast and optimized. Current models such as the SH350, 2021 onwards, Forza, and XADV 125 or 350 are all equipped with this type of ECM. First, use the main cable to connect to the SmartTool ECO. Here, I am plugging it into the DLC port on the SKTOOL 3.0 simulation model. If you are working on an actual motorcycle, you can plug it directly into the bike's diagnostic port. On the device screen, select Smart Key, Honda, IMMO ID ECM, Keihin ECM. The device will prompt, turn ignition off, then on. Since I have already connected the main cables, the ECM is already powered up. Press enter. Next, select Smart Key, read IMMO ID. Follow the device prompts, unplug the DLC, turn off the ignition. Then, plug in the DLC, turn on the ignition. I will plug the DLC back in now. Once the code is successfully read, you can use your phone to take a photo of it. We will use this code to add the key directly on the simulation model. This procedure is identical to the emergency key addition process performed on an actual motorcycle. Now, I will guide you through the key registration on the model. On the SKTOOL model, switch the Add New Key button to On. You need to prepare a key that is compatible with the SCU you are using. Please note, the key must be switched to the on state. Press and hold the knob switch. Once the face LED turns on, we will begin entering the IMMO ID we just read. For number 1, press once. For number 8, press 8 times. Let's continue for the rest of the sequence. 1, 2, 1, 7, 8, 8, 7. We have finished entering the code. Now, pay attention. If the code is correct, the signal solenoid light will turn on. Turn the ignition switch to on. Notice the light on the key is flashing. This indicates that the key has been successfully added. Next, turn off the ignition switch and switch the Add New Key button back to off. As you can see, we have read the code and added a new key very quickly. Instead of the hassle of removing the SCU unit as in the past, Autoshop's new technology allows you to read codes directly through the diagnostic port via the CANBUS network. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and see you next time.